Ever wonder what a real week looks like for a multifamily owner-operator? Not the Instagram version, the actual day-to-day. Deals falling apart, deals coming back to life, negotiating with cities, walking units, construction updates, asset management deep dives, and running multiple companies at once? Let me show you exactly what my last week looked like, day by day. So let's jump right in. Monday usually starts with our team meeting, but not this week. We had a deal that we had to drop because the seller wasn't giving us full transparency on some items. Then they finally sent what we needed. So I spent most of Monday at the property, walking units, checking everything myself before we decided to move forward again. Later, I had a call about another acquisition. So Monday was pretty much all about reviewing that one deal and then analyzing another deal, so a lot to do with acquisitions. Then Tuesday was a marathon. Started with a partnership alignment call for a new acquisition that we have. Then we had our weekly insurance company review. Then we had an asset management call for one of our properties. I had my weekly CFO meeting. We had office team sync and another asset management call. And since we missed the Monday's meeting, we moved our all hands to Tuesday. We hit priorities, cleared roadblocks, and then did a full property by property review. We wrapped up the day with our property management meeting, so our property management company meeting, especially now that we're taking on third-party clients with management as well. So it was pretty nonstop. Then Wednesday started with negotiating with the city about one of our properties. They want to buy part of the land, so we worked on a counter offer to send them. Then we had our weekly marketing meeting, then another asset management call, went over KPIs, made sure the team was aligned. Then we had our construction company meeting with A&T to run through active projects. After that, then we had our business development for upcoming construction jobs. And we ended the day with a deal review with some partners on a new acquisition. So then Thursday kicked off with a property tour for a potential acquisition. Walked it with the broker. I wanted to see if we were gonna make an offer or not, and walked a lot of the units in the property. Then we had a weekly asset management call about our Jacksonville redevelopment that we're getting ready to wrap up. Then had a podcast interview. So I'm starting a new podcast, and then finished the day with the Elevate meetup that we do bi-monthly. So it was a pretty late night, a lot of networking. And then Friday was all about closing out the week. Started with our GP meeting for one of our properties, rolled right into the asset management call for that same property. Then a meeting about getting a tax abatement for our Florida deals, working through a local program to reduce property taxes or eliminate it altogether. Then the rest of the day was a lot of phone calls and follow-ups and really just tying up any loose ends from the week. And that's a real week running multifamily at scale. Not cleaned up, not staged, just how it actually goes when you're handling acquisitions, construction, management, and operations across multiple states and multiple companies. If you want more behind the scenes breakdowns, just like this one, let me know, and I'll keep them coming.